I'm just going to quickly show you how to change the battery in your Volkswagen car key fob. This is off a Golf, but if you've got this looking key fob, it should be exactly the same. What you're going to need is the key fob itself. You're also going to need a replacement battery. These are the CR2025, so you need this model, this 2025. That's the important bit. Then you need a flat bladed instrument. Something like a knife is going to do absolutely perfectly. And finally, a very small screwdriver. So let's begin by showing you where the battery is, and it's in this little panel here, so we just need to free it up. First thing you want to do is flick your key out of the way. Then it's just a matter of prizing this panel out, and you can actually just use your fingers if it's not too stiff, but it might hurt, so I would recommend a flat bladed instrument like a knife. So it's a matter of putting it inside here, and you want to lever it up, so pushing up like this just a couple of times along it is going to free it up nice and gently, and there you go, that's nice and freed. And then you can just finish it off with your hands. That will actually ping off if you're not careful, but that's fine too. Just make sure you don't ping it off into the road or something. Then we need to free up this 2025 battery, and you've got this little notch here, which is what we need the small screwdriver for. In we go, and again I'm just going to cover it with my thumb because it will ping off flying. Pop that out, and that's taken care of. Grab ourselves a new battery. I won't actually get one because this battery still works, and we just slide that in there and then push it down. Click. In it goes, and the final step obviously is to replace the battery cover. So put it in at an angle like that, lever it on like a door, and just click it down. And there we have it. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, your battery's replaced, and you'll be good to go and play with your car again.